Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you the unboxing of Nikon D3400. As you can see, this is a brand new camera that I've just bought a couple of days ago, and well, you're not gonna understand the most of things that they have printed here because it's in Spanish and I'm from Spain. So you can say it is D3400 with objective of AFP 18 to 55 millimeter with a warranty of 10 years. And it has ISO till 25600 and it is 24.2 megapixel camera with full HD. And as you can see that you can transfer your pictures from your camera directly to your phone instead of you're gonna need of a memory card, but you can transfer all of your pictures that are saved in memory card to your phone. So this is it says that this kit includes the things that cost 110 euros, but these are free with this packet. So this is in Spanish and Portuguese. Well, that's it. As you can see, you can see a SIG here, and it also says that it includes six courses which are absolutely free, because as you bought this and they've just given you a gift. So let's open it, guys, and then open it from here. Okay, that's good. Well, I'm gonna need a cutter. For instead of cutter, I'm gonna use my keys because okay. Here it is, and then here it is. Okay, then this is the electronic book of photo Nikon. Okay, this is the bag. This is where you can also say you can use this bag to transport your camera safely. And this is the instruction book. Well, it's in Spanish, but okay. Then this is the lens, okay, and this is, you can say, a very short guidance for this camera, okay, in different languages. It is also available in English, Danish, a lot of languages. Well, this is, you can tell this is nothing, just to sign up in your nikonistasclub.com, and this is your whole camera, okay. And we're gonna put it aside. Well, let's start from the lens. This is Nikon lens, and which is 18 to 55 millimeter wide. Okay, let's open it. And this is the lens. Okay. So they've covered it for safety, and you can just remove it by, after connecting, you can remove it by here, by pressing here, and this is the lens. Then and put it here again, just for safety purposes, and then put it aside. And let's open the camera. That was just lens. Okay. Well, this is the charger of this Nikon D3400. And this is, you can say, a memory card of 8 GB and a memory card and a card slot. And this is the battery. Well, it says it is Nikon rechargeable lithium line battery pack, which is 1230 mAh. Well, it is made in China, as most of the thing. This is the strap for Nikon, for the camera. And then this is the body. Well, they're covered in this paper so that in this case, if it falls from your hand, well, if the package falls from your hand and it doesn't hit or it doesn't destroy your camera, well, this is the start button, and then you can give any effects you want to. And well, this is the digital non-touch screen. This is the USB port and HDMI cable port. Okay, Then this is where you have to, this is card slot where you have to insert your card, and then after this is battery, and here you have to insert your battery. Okay, well, you can remove it, and you have to insert your lens here by removing this tab. Okay, I'll just cover it here till okay, I'm gonna insert the battery. Well, first of all, let's install the lens. Well, remove the safety cover, and well, you have to, when connecting, you have to take into account this string, this bearings, whatever it is, and that's when you hear that click voice, it means that it has adjusted correctly. And then if you want, you can remove now, but I prefer that you remove it later so that it doesn't touch and doesn't make it dirty. And this is the battery. Well, where is battery? Yeah, here it is. Okay. Then, okay, so it will be like this. Okay, well, first we have to remove this, just for safety purpose. Well, I had to remove this, and well, this is, then you have to take into account these ports that connects directly with the port that are inside. Okay, as you can see, one moment. Well, these ports that are inside, this is spring, and these ports, yeah, that one. Okay, so insert it. As you can see, well, I didn't notice they put a sign or symbols that you can, so that you just not mistakenly put your battery upside down. Well, insert it, and then when you hear the click voice, it means that it is locked, and then that's it. And after that, well, if you want to insert your memory card, well, I would prefer not insert right now, just because that's, well, remove it and then turn it on. Before taking photos, rotate zoom into external lens. Well, just by pressing this button, you can zoom in, zoom out. Well, that's it. And then as for demo purpose, okay, so, okay, well, I have to put it in every condition. So, well, we have to off it again. And this is the card slot. I thought that it could work, but it doesn't. Okay. Well, yeah, that's the memory card with its slot. Oh, it opens from here. Card, insert this card here. Well, everything's come from China, made in China. Oh my God, China makes a lot of things. And then look deeply into it, and because you have to put this like this. As you see the tick goes, this means that it is adjusted correctly. Then on it again. Yeah. The lens, zoom out, and well, that's just rubbish. Well, from here you can see, because if I use the lens, you wouldn't be able to see. Well, it shows the result. Okay, by just pressing this button. So that's it, and just, yeah. And if you want to connect this camera with your phone, then you have to download an app from the store, from Google Store, and if you're using Android, then from Apple Store, and then connect with it. And for example, if you shot some photos, the photos would directly send, instead of using your card memory, that would be sent just to your phone. But the thing is, they're transferred by Bluetooth, so you have to turn on your Bluetooth. Well, and that's it. And I hope guys that you like this video. Best of luck. Goodbye.